how's it going, guys? Today we're just doing an unboxing video, and this is a wristwatch. Ordered this one through the Aragon website, and this is the Aragon Divemaster II. I think this is the limited edition. It only has 100 units. This is the Abalone dial. Let's see how it looks like. I just got it from the mail, so let's open it up. Let's see. So I'm wearing the Seiko 5 automatic. It's not focusing. One sec. Got a Seiko 5 automatic sports here. Let's open this one up and see what it looks like. Yeah, I got a sweet deal for this unit here. So, plug this one up here in a sec. This is a mega sale from Aragon, and I've used also my one-time coupon code for additional 10% discount. So I got this for about 90 bucks. Now let's open the box. Let's take it out. We just have a foam protection on the shipping. So we got this. It's a pretty big watch case, right? Let's remove the white covering. Alright, nice box from Aragon. You can use this one for storage, for display. Yeah, it's always the same box. Sometimes it's just a smaller one, but this one is the bigger watch case here. Let's open it up. We got the receipt, bubble wrap, and we have the watch. And on this case here, you have the Aragon booklet, manual, and that's it. Let's see is there something here? Yeah, I don't think so. Alright, let's take a look at the watch itself. Look at that. Focus. Alright, it's the beautiful Abalone dial. It has 45 mm of case size, using Seiko NH35 movement. Now let me remove the plastic and the covering here, and I'll show it to you. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, I removed the plastic covering for the whole watch. Yeah, again, this is the Aragon Divemaster II limited edition. It only has 100 units of this piece here. It has a 45 millimeter case size. Has Cyclops there on a date. has the Seiko NH35 movement. You can see the movement here. Has an exhibition case back. You have the Aragon logo on the clasp. It's just a normal clasp, but the stainless steel links, they feel pretty much solid, not hollow. You have the Aragon logo on the crown, and also it's a screw down crown, so screw down, so not bad for the price that I got for this thing. It's a beautiful, I'm not sure if you could see it, has a beautiful abalone dial. It changes design whichever angle that you're looking at it. Have 120 clicks for the bezel. It's okay, yeah. It's an okay bezel. Dive bezel. What else? Yeah, I like this watch. Let's try it on the wrist. Let's see how it looks like. It's a 45mm, so it's on the big size. That's usually the thing with Aragon watches. Yeah, it's a normal clasp here. Or on the wrist. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah, not gonna lie, this is beautiful. For the price, it's really a bang for your buck. Alright, one sec, let me see what kind of lume it gives. I'll be back, guys. Alright, I haven't charged it long enough, but you can see the lume. Looks like it has a bluish hue on the bezel and green hue on the indices there, and on the hour, minute, second hands. Let's see, yeah, if you could, yeah, it's nice lume. I can't complain for a 90 bucks watch. Excellent, good job for Aragon. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. For more videos, just like, comment, and subscribe to Art School. Thank you.